This video will provide you with a basic overview of the discussion tool in D2L. The discussion tool is used as a collaboration area to post, read, and reply to messages on different topics. So let's begin by accessing the discussion tool by selecting Class Tools and Discussions from the drop-down list. This is going to bring me into the discussion tool area. The first thing I'd like to point out is that there are forums. This is an example of a forum, and then there are topics. A forum, the best way to think of this is really as a header. Most of the time I've seen forums organized as week 1 or week 2 or module 1 topics or module 2. Then all the discussion topics for that module or that week are organized into the forum. So an example is week 1, and these are the 2 actual discussion boards that are listed under the forum. So to get started, you'll want to create a new discussion forum. So I'm going to select New and Forum to do that. And here I'll title my forum, it's probably like week 4 discussions. I put in a description to the class here. If I want to do a shortcut, I can just create a new topic with the forum at the same time. I can choose these options of anonymous messages or having them approved first. And then I can choose the visibility or locking. I can have it visible at a specific time or hide it, or I can lock and unlock the discussion forum for students to enter at a specific time. So now I'm going to choose Save and Add Topic. Alright, let's put the first actual discussion board topic in here. So, this might be the title. I might put in a description with instructions to students here. I would select the options that I want. And I like this option, a user must compose a message before participating in the topic. This is a good idea if you want to ensure your students are making original postings. Again, you have visibility and locking options. I'm going to choose Save. And the other thing you have with the actual topic is that you can choose to restrict it by group, and you can choose the assessment. Most of us will want to grade our discussions, so the best way to utilize this is to actually tie it into the grade item so that the scores that you enter into the discussions will tie into the grade book. I'm going to simply choose New Grade Item. I'm going to title this Discussion, and maybe I'll code it with some name that I understand for my grade book. And then I'm going to put in the number of points. Maybe this discussion is worth 30 points. I'd make the selections that are necessary here. I'm going to have this letter grade scheme that I like. And then here is where I'm going to actually attach the rubric. What you want to do is ensure that you do not attach the rubric to the actual discussion board. Rather, you want to attach the rubric to the grade item. I'll choose Add Rubric. I'll select my rubric. I'll choose Add Selected. Now I've got my example rubric attached. If I want to unattach it, I can just choose the red X. I'll choose that the grade item is visible, and I'll choose Save. Now this discussion board is tied to a grade item, and it has a rubric attached to the correct place, which is the grade book. So now I'll choose Save. Oops, forgot to re-enter my score. You'll need to re-enter your score. Even though you did create a grade item that had the score of 30 on it, you'll still need to come back into this area and in the score out of box place that number again. So I'll choose Save, I'll choose Close, and now here's my new discussion forum, week 4 discussions, and the new discussion topic. Now how do you make a posting? Well, you can select the title of a discussion topic. This will enter you into the discussion area. Here you can choose the compose message. You'll make your posting here. You'll write your message here. And note that you have all the formatting options. You can insert images, you can insert YouTube videos, and you can even use the spell check. Now if I want to, I can pin the message to the top if I think this is a really important message that students need to see when they first enter the discussion. I can add a file, and I can also even record an audio message. So I'm going to just choose Post because I'm ready to post. The other option that you do have and that your students have is to save as a draft. Then they can come back and edit this message and then post it when they're ready. I'll choose Post, and here's my message right here. So that's how you create new discussion forums and topics. This is how you sort of navigate the discussion tool, and this is how you create a new posting.